What's up, everyone? It's Caddy with MoneyVest. I am traveling again. I do have a flight in about an hour, so I figured I'd do this video. It's going to be a very, very quick update because of the fact how severe this market sell-off was. NASDAQ dropping almost 2%, S&P down almost 1%, and of course the Dow Jones pushing higher, surprisingly a little bit on the day, on the back of some significant rotation out of technology and more importantly, semiconductor stocks really selling off, and Nvidia down a little bit over 10% and AMD down over 5% as well. So hope you all enjoy this video and find it helpful. It's going to be a super quick one. I'm not going to break down the technicals for each and every stock, but rather break down the market technicals, go over our index reading, and also talk a little bit about just the macros and how this sell-off is accelerating on the back of this huge repricing that we're seeing in the market. The treasury yields are rising, and of course, we're seeing a lot of comments from FOMC members talking about how rate cuts may not be on the table, as many rate cuts as what the market was pricing in originally. So hope you all enjoy this video, find it helpful. Make sure that you drop a like and subscribe to the channel, and links to our Discord and Patreon is going to be down below. I finally posted part 2 of my members only private video. This is going to be 14 minutes long, and these are the 30 stocks that I'm planning to buy with my entire shopping list and buy targets. This is the video that you want to see during this market sell-off, because these are basically 30 stocks that I find the most potential in, and with my buy targets, my light buy, heavy buy, aggressive buy, and no-brainer buy targets, as well as my fair values on these companies. So again, you can access all the members-only videos. There's about 49 different videos that you can watch if you are a member. Link's going to be down below, and I did open up a few more spots if you're interested in joining. And this right here, again, is the video I posted today with my 30 stock list. So Amazon dropping 2.5%, Meta down 4%, Eli Lilly dropping 2.6%. Of course, the entire semiconductor sector selling off quite aggressively, and of course, the other parts of the market doing rather well. So if you come over to the groups, you can very clearly see that the markets are rotating out of technology, out of cyclicals, out of comm services. These are where your semis and Amazons and Teslas basically live, out to other parts of the market, such as utilities, energy, financial, and defensive. In the last 1 week, utilities performing much, much better than compared to technology. Technology was down a little bit over 7% in the last 1 week, and in the last 1 month, technology is down over 9%. So lots of rotation happening out of tech over to other parts of the market. If you take a look at the futures performance, again, you'll notice cocoa prices, wheat prices, volatility was higher on the day, even though it started much, much higher. It closed a little bit lower, but of course, still green on the day. And Bitcoin just over 63,000, Ether just over $3,000 as well. Now, if you come over to our MoneyVest index, I mean, this is the pretty significant sell-off that we've witnessed. I think this number still needs to be updated, because part of this analysis is also the market breadth, which takes into account what percentage of stocks are trading above or below their moving averages. So right now, this number needs to be updated because it is delayed. So as soon as the markets close and as soon as we get that updated number, this number, I'm assuming a lot of these market breadth indicators, which is percentage of stocks trading above or below their moving averages, are going to be significantly lower because of the accelerated selling pressure on the day today. So this number is going to be updated but my guess or my estimate is that MoneyVest index is going to be lower, and it's going to be under 3. And the moment it drops below 3, and then we're really looking at 2.3, 2.4 levels, and the last serious buying opportunity that we really got from this potential index was back in October of 2023, and prior to that, we were looking at, of course, March of 23, and then before that, of course, it was the much better buying opportunities back in September and October of 22, and of course, June and July of 22 as well. And these right here were levels that we were talking about where the risk reward is not that great. We were talking about these over and over again. And of course, we are now starting to see this accelerated selling pressure to the downside from the markets, which is, again, very, very common, not out of the ordinary, very normal for the markets as well. So, it's totally normal. Nothing to be afraid of, nothing to be scared of in the markets at the moment, considering how aggressive the sell-off has been. Not to mention, of course, S&P 500 also selling off a little bit more aggressively, down a little bit over 5.7% now from its all-time highs. And the NASDAQ here, I believe, is now almost going to be entering a correction territory very, very soon. It's down over 7.7% from its all-time highs. So really, I mean, we are seeing, the market here. If you come over to the 30-minute time frame, really the Nasdaq's breaking down support levels left and right, and this right here has been a very, very accelerated sell-off. I will be able to do a much better, much proper video once I touch down in Mumbai, and of course have more time to settle in. Then I'll be doing a more detailed analysis. But I really just wanted to put an update out there, just to kind of let you guys know that I'm here, and I'm excited. I'm getting more and more, unfortunately, more and more happy, because this is where the markets give us the opportunities to dollar cost average into the market. This is where the deals are now starting to come in, because this sell-off was necessary. This sell-off was important. It was needed, because this is what kind of reminds me that, okay, this is a healthy market. We can't just keep going higher. We are seeing pullbacks. I mean, you look at the RSI, look at the MACD, we're pretty much coming down to oversold levels, and this is where we take advantage. This is where we take advantage of these opportunities here the market's presenting us. So really the next level is going to be down at 49.27, 49.25, aligned with that previous support level. So that is what we are going to be paying attention to. And like I said, I'll be keeping a close eye on volatility, our money risk index, including market breadth indicators such as percentage of stocks trading above or below their moving averages. And we'll be sending out a lot of alerts. In fact, I did send out my alerts for Monday already in our Discord, and we'll be sending out more next week as the sell-off continues and we do see the markets accelerate to the downside and become more and more oversold. So that's going to be it for today. A little bit of a shorter update. Again, link's going to be down below with my entire shopping list and my buy targets. I will be able to do a much longer video once I am settled in to my hotel after the flight. But until then, make sure that you are dropping a like and subscribe to the channel. Happy investing. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.